Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to clear recently viewed listings on Etsy. Now, this is a very simple way of doing this is just going, as you can see right here, to your Etsy.com, go to your account, then you can click account settings and then click privacy, and then you can click clear recently private listings, right? Now, as you can see, you can control whether your favorite items and shops are public or private on your favorites page as well. But yeah, if you want to just clear your recently viewed items, this is basically how to do it. Again, very simple way of doing it. And again, if I want to kind of show you is your account, right? And you obviously have to go to account settings and privacy, right? So account settings. And then I'll have to go to privacy, right? And yeah, here basically, as you can see, you have clear view recently viewed listings. That's pretty much it. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, we'll see you in the next upcoming video.